Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering why am I wearing the same shirt? Because I just actually filmed this whole entire makeup look. So if you want, you can actually go check that video out. That video is probably gonna be out before this one. So if you can tell by the title, I am doing a unboxing of my Sephora play. So there's that. So if you're new here to my channel, welcome back, or welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. If you'd like to subscribe and keep watching my videos, you can just hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the little notification bell, so you can be part of this crazy little family going on around here. So yeah, so I'm so excited to try or to look at this Sephora box. Okay. Ooh. I think I messed up, you guys. I usually like to take out the products out one by one and looking at it instead of reading this little thingy to see everything that I got. But either way. Okay, well so far I really like the bag. It says feel the love, and it's like, it looks like Wendy. This is Wendy from like Wendy's. It kind of reminds me of that. Let me try to get the bag a little big, like stretched out. Oh, you know what? I thought that is her hair, but it's shaped into a heart. Feel the love. Alright, so let's see the first product that we're going to take out the bag. Okay, and we got this pharmacy little thingy. What is this? Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm. Ooh, yay. Another product I can try out. I have already a cleansing, what's called a makeup melt-off. So I'm really interested in trying this out. So it says that this is supposed to be a nourishing, oil-based cleansing balm that clears away makeup gently and leaves skin smooth. How to use: apply a small scoop into skin to melt product. Rinse with water. Ooh, I'm excited for this. It doesn't smell like anything. I would have loved for it to have smelled like mint. I mean, it has a green color to it, a green tint. Like, it's barely, but it has like a green tint. I would have really loved for it to smell like mint or something like that. But, you know, it's okay. Let's see this. Ooh. The brand Fresh Again. This is a Fresh Rose Lip Treatment with sunscreen SPF 15. And that says, this is how it looks. This is how the little box looks like. And it says, an SPF infused balm in a subtle rose tint that protects your and conditions lips all day. Ooh, I've been really meaning to try one of these. I just haven't. I don't know why. But let's see. Ooh, oh, that is so cute, you guys. I cannot wait to try this. Oh, it doesn't really give that much of a tint, but it's still cute. It's still there. I cannot wait to try this. I'm really excited. Oh, look, and this is cool. You twist it off. Instead of just like pulling it off, you kind of twist it in and you twist it off. Like, you twist it off to, like, you know, of course, use it, and you twist it back in to put it away. So that is really cute. I'm really excited to try this out. And it says how to use: apply a few coats on dry lips throughout the day. Ooh, this is a Laura Mercier. I can never pronounce Mercier right. But this is a Caviar Stick Eye Contour in Rose Gold. A long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick in a shimmering pink champagne shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. How to use: swipe directly onto your eyelids and blend with a finger or trace along the inner corners and along your brow bone. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. So excited for it. If I could ever freaking open this or take this little sticker off. And this, what shade is this? Does this have a shade? Rose Gold. And this is how it looks like. Well, it got a good amount of product, I mean, for a little sample size. This is how the little packaging looks like. This is pretty cool. If I like this, I will definitely be purchasing some more. her. So we got a good amount of color payoff, as you can tell right there. Actually, I don't even know if you're gonna be able to tell because, but it's right there. It's cute. I like it. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, finally, we got the perfumes again. This is in Chloe. Does it have a shade name? I mean, not a shade name, a like name for it? No. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. It smells good. Okay, so let's see this. Ooh, another little face thing. And this is Belief. That's the brand Belief. This doesn't smell like anything. It says a lightweight eye cream for a boost of more moisture and refreshing looking eyes. That's cool. I guess I'll be using that in the morning. Right. How to use. After applying moisture, pat a small amount around the eye area using your finger, your ring finger. So if I put it in with my middle finger, is that going to go on wrong? I don't know. I don't really think it should specify with a finger. But that's just me. And let's see, one more thing. And this is a little Sephora Rouge Matte lipstick. Okay, this is Sephora lipstick, and I guess it's in the shade Rouge Matte, maybe? Rouge Matte, oh no, Rebel Chick. Rebel Chick is a shade. And this is how it looks like. Oh, I like this little packaging. It's so sleek. And it says Sephora around it. And let's pull out the shade. What the heck? That's like almost empty. This is that little bit of color that it brings. What the heck? By the way, let's swatch it. Ooh, okay, it's pretty. It's right there. It's cute. It's cute. I like the sleek packaging. Let's see, what else do we have? Yep, well that's it. Let's see how many products that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and with a little extra 6. So yeah guys, so that was it for this video. I kind of really like what I got this month. Usually I be getting like the crappiest things ever. But I'm really excited to try this Laura Mercier little eyeshadow thing in this color. Excited for it, as well as the eyeshadow, lipstick color from Sephora. Really excited for it, as well as the sugar little moisturizer balm. I don't know what to call it. Lip thing. I really want to try that out. And these I'm kind of iffy about. I mean, like I said before in previous videos, I get a lot of sample of these and I just really don't ever end up trying them. I would really like to try this out. Maybe I can find, like, you know, something better than my Clinique one. I love my Clinique one. Nothing has beat it so far. That has been like the best balm, like, melt off thing ever that I've tried. So there's that. Well, yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.